The formation of new glucose molecules, the process in which to maintain the euglycemia by formation of glucose molecules from non-carbohydrate sources, because carbohydrate is a primary source of energy. There is no function of carbohydrate sources. We got glucose molecule from liver and from kidney or from exercising muscle. There is a whole mechanism in biochemistry how the pyruvate converted into the glucose molecule and how the lactate secrete from the muscle and from liver, which kind of percentage. I want to explain here totally information that lactate firstly from liver, kidney and muscles, exercising muscle most importantly. In muscle we have skeletal muscle. In skeletal muscle there is no formation of glucose 6 phosphate, which means there is no lactate. Without glucose 6 phosphate, muscle will never secrete the lactate because they are very selfish. Lactate performa works as a product and produce a pyruvate, and alanine also produce a pyruvate. From where the alanine came, proteins, amino acid. Now our cycle start from pyruvate to glucose. In the presence of pyruvate oxaloacetate enzyme, it convert into the oxaloacetate. This process occurs into the mitochondria, which is in cytoplasm, into the cell. After that, oxaloacetate in the presence of phosphoenol pyruvate decarboxykinase enzyme. Which enzyme? Phosphoenol pyruvate carboxykinase enzyme. It converted into the phosphoenol pyruvate. This step is known as second mini step. And after that, conversion of fructose 1,6 phosphate. This step also known as rate limiting step in gluconeogenesis. Because rate limiting step, because this step it's very important. This MCQs it's used as a very important MCQs in USMLE exam. Rate limiting step. In the presence of fructose 1,6 phosphate enzyme, it converted into the fructose 6 phosphate. Fructose 6 phosphate converted into the glucose 6 phosphate. In the presence of glucose 6 phosphatase enzyme, we got glucose molecule. Remember, main point. Remember, it is an irreversible process. It will never come back. After this process, the formation of glycolysis and from glycolysis, Krebs cycle and electron transport chain. So remember this point, it's very important. And for taking concept, take the concept from here, and it is very important. Another point I want to explain to you that this whole process, firstly in the mitochondria and after into the cytosol. Remember, main point, that our brain tissues, our kidney tissues, and our testis tissues, even our exercising muscle need every time glucose molecule. So gluconeogenesis works 24 hours. Thank you so much, guys. Take this concept and enjoy your life. and be happy and relax.